J.
Please stop, my belly hurts.
I know my abs are like.
Oh, you made me get that bubble stuck inside of me.
Wait, you didn't finish. What are you at?
K.
Oh, guys, I can't do this anymore. Stop burping.
No.
Drink some water so you can get big burps.
Idiot. Hi, Ellen.
Hey.
Keep going.
T.
Oh, gosh.
She smell really bad in here.
It's on Facebook. I don't know how he's doing this.
No, be embarrassed.
I can, like...
What comes after V again?
W.
Q R S.
W.
Wait, I thought you said
W.
B. I said
W.
You gotta...
all in one burp. The end. All in one burp.
XYZ.
X. Y.
Do Z really big.
Z.
Next time, once you see with me.
Let me get a big one for this. What does that do?
Yeah, I know.
Next.
Rachel.
What?
this to me.
Send it to me, Rachel.
I will.
Next time.
You already said next time.
Yeah. Okay, that's.
That did not sound like, whoa. I don't know.